eyebrows. They're sisters, they're not twins. I want to teach you how to groom your own eyebrows. I've got really long eyebrows, as you can see as I brush up. Now, if I was to go and cut off all of these hairs here, I would have no hair to fill in this gap here. So you need to be really careful when you're trimming your own eyebrows that you don't take off the long hairs that are needed to fill in the gaps. So be really, really careful. I've seen girls brush all the hairs up this way, trim off all these hairs, and then didn't have enough hair over here to fill in the gaps. So be really, really careful. I would start with just brushing up at the start. Push these ones off to the side so you fill in the gaps yourself. And so all we're going to do is trim at the start here. I'm going to use a curved scissors, and I'm going to use the curved facing up and just come straight across. And it's only the hair that's outside the body of the brow that we want to trim. And then we're going to brush the hairs into the direction that we want them. If I brush them all the way down, you can see how long they are. I can trim off a little bit, but I don't want to come up here and do too much, so I'm just going to come at the end, trim them off to get a nice straight edge, and then brush them into position. So be careful, don't take off the really long hairs, even though you're tempted to. Leave some length to fill in the gaps.